Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video from Braid1. In today's video we're going to be showing you a really awesome new build of a new Veddha frame. But first of all, I need to tell you guys one more thing, and this fly is really annoying me. The fly is gone. Hopefully he's not coming back. So we have some more information about the GTX 1180. It's not going to be 20 gigabytes per second, so we can assume that it's going to be 64 megahashes per second at its very best. So there's also going to be one more really big ass issue for miners. There's going to be a 1 per customer limit, so that is going to be pretty tough for people to build entire mining rigs out of it, unless you invite your whole neighborhood to buy a graphics card for you. So that is going to be a little evening out thing that NVIDIA is going to do. But even though, okay, why would they do this? If someone wants to do 4-way SLI, he needs to ask 4 neighbors or 3 neighbors to get a GTX 1180 for him. So I don't know. NVIDIA, you're trying, but it's not going to stop miners from doing this. So let's get on to the video and let's start building this new frame. On these 6 GPU frames and 8 GPU version frames, I will always put those ring fans on, and you think like, hey, are they included? Well, actually not. They are not included into these builds, but I will put a link in the description below for all the parts used today. Also of these 2 types of frames, 6 GPU and 8 GPU, and also the fans that I really do recommend that are very cheap to use. So Veddha sent us this frame, and I'm really happy that they always do this. It was looking really nice. I really enjoyed it. Just as I went on a holiday with my girlfriend this weekend. It was really awesome. I met some awesome subscribers that were there as well. It was really fun talking to you guys. Like, it's so random to do that, but it's really nice to meet new people. So we got some really awesome information there as well. That's actually the reason we went there, but that's gonna be for future videos. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video today, and see you guys in the next one.